Are you brand new to training, or are you wondering where to start? If so, I'd like to recommend New Trainer Survival Skills. This virtual classroom workshop covers it all. You'll learn a fast and realistic approach for conducting a training needs analysis. We'll explore a step-by-step instructional design process to ensure you design engaging and interactive courses every time. You'll even get to practice your public speaking and presentation skills, giving you the confidence you need to deliver great training. Lastly, we'll give you tips and best practices to create course evaluations so you can track the return on investment of your training. This course gives you the basic skills you need to create, deliver, and evaluate any training program from scratch without the pain of trial and error. If you only take one course in your career as a trainer, New Trainer Survival Skills is the one to take.